A striking new mural by the mysterious and world-renowned street artist Banksy has just appeared on the side of the Royal Courts of Justice in central London, and it's already stirring up intense debate. The artwork shows a judge, dressed in the traditional wig and black robe, aggressively striking a protester who lies on the ground, with blood splattered across the protester's placard. But here's where it gets controversial. The mural doesn't explicitly reference any specific event or cause, yet it emerged just 2 days after nearly 900 people were arrested during a protest in London opposing the ban on Palestine action. This timing has led many to wonder about the deeper message Banksy is trying to convey. Almost immediately after its appearance, the mural was covered up with large plastic sheets and protected by 2 metal barriers, guarded by security officers. The Metropolitan Police confirmed they had received a report of criminal damage and that investigations are ongoing. Meanwhile, a spokesperson for HM Courts and Tribunals emphasized that the Royal Courts of Justice is a listed building, meaning it is legally required to preserve its original appearance, which complicates the situation further. One of the security guards stationed at the site admitted uncertainty about how long they would need to remain on watch, but joked, "At least it's not raining," highlighting the unusual nature of their duty. The location Banksy chose is particularly notable. The mural is on an external wall of the Queen's Building, part of the Royal Courts of Justice complex, situated on Carey Street, a usually quiet spot that became bustling with curious onlookers snapping photos of the now mostly concealed artwork. Banksy himself confirmed the piece's authenticity by posting a photo of the mural on his official Instagram account, a signature move he often uses to claim his work. The caption was simple yet direct: Royal Courts of Justice, London. Labour peer Baroness Harriet Harman weighed in on the mural, interpreting it as a protest about the law, though she did not specify which laws might be under scrutiny. She pointed out that Parliament makes the law and the judges simply interpret the law, adding that there is no clear evidence that judges have been suppressing protests beyond what Parliament intended. This perspective invites us to consider the complex relationship between legislation, judicial interpretation, and civil liberties. Banksy's stenciled graffiti has long been known for its sharp critiques of government policies, war, and capitalism. Last summer, for example, he launched an animal-themed series across London, featuring 9 pieces that included a gorilla seemingly lifting a shutter at the entrance to London Zoo. Other memorable works from that campaign included piranhas swimming on a police sentry box in the City of London, and a howling wolf painted on a satellite dish in Peckham, South London. The latter was removed less than an hour after it appeared. These works have sparked their own controversies and discussions, such as the London Zoo removing the gorilla piece for safekeeping, police investigating the removal of the Peckham Street sign as a potential theft, and plans to relocate the piranha artwork to the London Museum. Banksy's political commentary isn't limited to the UK. He has also created provocative pieces in the West Bank. In December 2019, he unveiled a modified nativity scene at a hotel in Bethlehem, depicting Jesus' manger in front of Israel's separation barrier. The barrier appeared to be pierced by a blast shaped like a star, a powerful image loaded with symbolism. Israel maintains that the barrier is necessary to prevent infiltrations from the West Bank, while Palestinians argue it is a tool for land appropriation. This latest mural raises important questions. Is Banksy criticizing the justice system itself, or is he highlighting the tension between law enforcement and the right to protest? Could this be a broader commentary on how power is exercised in society? And what does it say about the role of art in political discourse? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree with Banksy's message, or do you see it differently? Join the conversation and share your perspective below.